Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add audio to your Wix website. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding audio to your Wix website can enhance the user experience by including background music, sound effects, or voiceovers that we do here in the Andy's Guide YouTube channel. So if you are not a fan yet, you might want to hit the subscribe button so you get the latest update or our latest content. Now, you have to realize that background music or sound effects can capture visitors' attention and create a more engaging and immersive experience. It's a straightforward process really, because all you're gonna do is hover your mouse to the add elements on the upper left corner and click on that, and you have two options. You can click on the media because that would put you to the media players. All right. And that's going to be able you to hover down below where you can see the mini players. You can put in the track name and the other stuff. Now, if you can't find it, for example, you're in wireframes and you don't have the audio here, just type in the search and maybe type in music, and it would bring you to the mini players as well. All right. After that, I want you to click on the mini players, because what will happen is you would be given here a pop-up icon. Let's put it maybe down below. There you go. Now, there's going to be multiple options on the top. You can change track here. If you change track, you can choose an image. You can choose audio from one track or external MP3. All right, so I'm going to choose a new image here. Now, after adding your image here, you can also choose the track name if you wanted. These are all highly customizable, all right? For example, I'm going to put in like Andy's, or maybe put in something like this one, how to add audio to your Wix website. Now, you can choose one track or external MP3 if you wanted. Now, on the one track, you can click on the upload track, and what will happen is you would be forwarded here on this section where you can upload the media on your computer or local directory. Otherwise, just click on X. If you go to the external MP3, you would be able to put in the URL track for the specific song, all right? Now, if you add URL, all you're gonna do is hover to the music platforms that you are currently subscribed to. Now, I have an account here on SoundCloud. For example, I wanted to have like electronic music, or maybe I don't know, club tonic rap. There's gonna be an option here. For example, this you see, there's an embed or copy link option where you just copy that and then just switch over to your track. Go to the section that says change track. And that's gonna be you can put the code here, all right, and click on save, and that's that. Now, if you have other music platform, you can also go to the Amazon Music. It's free streaming music, and of course, same with the process on SoundCloud. Whatever music that you wanted, copy the URL link, or go to Spotify if you have an account from there. Now, once you are on Spotify, just choose the song that you wanted to add to your website, but please be mindful that you have to make sure that you have appropriate license and copyright permissions to put these songs to your website, because especially if your website is designed for commercial, which is going to be problematic at the end. All right, make sure you have copyright. You will not be you're not gonna getting any copyright strike or license problems. All right, and all you're gonna do is again put in the URL of the song that you wanted here, because custom audio or music that reflects your brand's personality can strengthen brand identity and make your site more memorable. I believe that a well-chosen audio can enhance the professional appearance of your site, especially if it complements the content and design effectively. Now, if you don't have an option on the add element section here to put in the music, you might gonna be encountering any problems with your account. If that's the case, I want you to go to the Wix customer support and go to the 24/7 staff and get a hold of one of the support agent and tell them you're having problems adding music to your website here in Wix. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.